Welcome to the WION podcast, where we explore fascinating stories and ideas from various fields. In this episode, we explore how the world's largest digital camera captured a breathtaking cosmic panorama, revealing more than 500,000 galaxies and tens of thousands of stars in extraordinary detail. The remarkable view offers a powerful glimpse into just how vast and richly populated the cosmos truly is. Astronomers using the world's largest digital camera captured over 500,000 galaxies and 50,000 stars in one deep view of the universe. The image was captured using the Vera C. Rubin Observatory, based in Chile. Rubin's 3.2 gigapixel LSST camera, mounted on the 8.4-meter Simoni survey telescope of the observatory. Rather than a single exposure, the image was constructed by layering hundreds of individual images on top of each other, with each additional layer of exposure gradually revealing faint, distant light. The result is a single frame, densely packed with spiral galaxies displaying their characteristic arms, smooth, elliptical galaxies, galaxies caught mid-collision, and faint red galaxies dating back to the early universe. Only a handful of bright foreground stars from our own Milky Way appear in the foreground, a detail that adds to the image's visual impact. The Rubin Observatory is a collaborative venture funded by the U.S. National Science Foundation and the Department of Energy's Office of Science. The area featured in this particular image, known as the Cosmos Field, has been under astronomical observation for over 2 decades, dating back to the Hubble Space Telescope's initial studies in 2003. Since then, numerous leading telescopes worldwide have trained their instruments on this same patch of sky, collecting data spanning the full spectrum from radio waves to X-rays. Cosmos sits away from the crowded plane of our own galaxy, having little interference from nearby stars and dust clouds blocking the view. That provides telescopes with an unusually clear line of sight to huge numbers of distant galaxies. Scientists also indicated that some are so far away and traveling toward Earth for billions of years. This field allows scientists to study galaxies at different points in the history of the universe, essentially within one continuous dataset. Through repeated observations of the cosmos field over time, the observatory is building a living record that captures how the sky evolves. This process lies at the heart of Rubin's broader mission, a decade-long survey known as the Legacy Survey of Space and Time, or LSST, aimed at producing the most detailed, continuously refreshed picture of the universe ever compiled. Given its scientific significance, subsequent observations are anticipated to uncover even fainter galaxies and finer detail than what's currently visible. This particular image represents Rubin's early data preview 2, the observatory's inaugural data release generated specifically from LSST camera observations. It draws together science validation data gathered between April 2025 and January 2026, spanning approximately 3,000 square degrees of sky, or roughly 1/6 of the Southern Hemisphere's total visible expanse. Thank you for tuning in to this podcast. If you enjoyed this episode, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more captivating tales from India and beyond.